the Rotador Spray Vac. And once again, good news for all Rotador and Tornado users. The Rotador Spray Vac, a very powerful spray extraction vacuum for professional car detailing, is now finally available. Here's how easy and efficient it is to handle and clean with the spray vac. Loosen and lift off the top cover, remove the cleaning container and fill it, for example directly at the tap. The container has a capacity of 6.5 litres and can also be filled directly in the device. Then add the cleaning agent in the prescribed concentration. Put the top cover on, close the cover flaps and, if necessary, add a defoamer to prevent strong foaming and thus an overflow of the dirty water tank. Then just plug in the electric plug and you can start. The first step is to turn on the vacuum function and thoroughly vacuum the surface to be cleaned. Once the loose dirt is taken care of, the actual cleaning process starts. Switch on the spray function by pressing the spray button. Now the flow of chemical can be started and stopped by pressing the yellow lever on the handpiece. The amount of chemical can be regulated by how long the lever is pressed. The cleaning liquid is sprayed onto the surface at 4 bar and sucked in at 230 millibar. This massive power attacks odours and dirt from deep inside the velour and upholstery. This dirt and chemical mix is sucked back into the tank, leaving a very clean result. After this, the surface can be dry vacuumed again by either turning off the spray function or simply not pressing the yellow lever. Using the vacuum function will get 90% of the moisture out of the upholstery. The rest will be dried by the ambient air. The extra long suction hose allows easy and flexible cleaning, since the spray vac doesn't have to be repositioned all the time. To empty the dirty water tank, turn off the spray vac. Open the 2 clips and remove the cover. Now the tank can simply be removed, emptied and rinsed. The delivery consists of Rotador spray vac, tank for clean water and chemical, tank for dirty water, 2.80 m long vacuum hose with chemical tube, and the handpiece. Putting together the Rotador spray vac is very simple. Simply connect the vacuum hose and the chemical tube to the body. Attach the handpiece to the vacuum hose and connect the chemical tube. Pour deep, long-term cleaning with the new spray vac from Rotador.